Okay, a 10-ton lorry, big lorry, install first sense two-way DVR with 7-inch IPS screen, a parking camera front and rear, and dashcam DVR function, 2-in-1 function. Front and rear HD camera, a night view, 7-inch big screen, H6Pro. Okay, now show for the left right view. This is left hand side is for the front, F for front, right hand side the B for the back view. Okay, let me show you for reverse. Now it's reverse view. On recording. Okay, back to normal. Switch back to the front and rear recording view. 7-inch big screen for lorry 24 walk. You can switch for the view. Okay, on the side area got a button. The first one, the top one, press it, you can change the view. Now it's for the front cam, rear cam. Top is front, the bottom one is the back camera. Back to left, right. So it's show for the date, 6th of May 2023. Okay, the second button, stop recording. Okay, now it's menu. Change. Now it's recording video format. A microphone on off. Speak time is for the video time. You can select 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes per video. Display. A language, English and Chinese selection. Okay, so this is first set 7-inch big screen for camera, front and rear parking camera with dashcam DVR. So the front camera will fix inside the car. The wiring is hidden inside. So the wiring is hidden inside to connect to the 7-inch dashboard, 7-inch display view. Okay, let me show you for the reverse cam. It's a 10-ton big lorry. Okay, the reverse camera. So it's fixed by the screw and the wiring. So got a wiring extension for this lorry because it's a big lorry. You have to extra RCA wiring. Extra wiring, 15 meter. So installed by one piece. Video by Andy. Our shop location in Sling Kembangan, Balakong, Selangor. Got a big space here and easy parking for lorry, bus, van. Thank you.